If Lightroom is showing error 50, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the fastest way to fix it step by step. This error usually happens because Lightroom can't save or modify files, and most of the time it comes down to a disk write issue, a permissions problem, or a file location that Lightroom doesn't like. So if you want a clean fix for Lightroom error 50, keep watching. And before we jump in, please hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes just like this. First, check your disk space. Lightroom needs enough free space on the drive where your photos and catalog are stored. As a rule of thumb, try to keep at least 20 to 30 gigabytes free. If your drive is almost full, Lightroom may fail when trying to save previews, export files, or update metadata. Delete any unnecessary files, empty the recycle bin, and then reopen Lightroom to test again. Next, check the folder permissions. This is one of the most important fixes. Find the folder where your Lightroom files are stored, then right-click it and open Properties. Go to the Security tab, select your user account, and make sure it has full control. If it doesn't, click Edit and allow full permissions. If Lightroom cannot write to that folder, it can throw error 50 every time you try to edit, export, or sync changes. Now, move the files to an internal drive if they are stored on an external or read-only drive. Lightroom works best when your photos are on a local drive like Desktop, Pictures, or another internal folder on your computer. External drives, network drives, or protected folders can sometimes block write access and trigger this error. If your photos are on a USB drive or cloud synced folder, move them to a normal internal location and try again. Another common issue is the file name or folder name itself. If there are special characters in the name, Lightroom may not be able to handle it properly. Rename the file or folder and remove symbols like slashes, colons, asterisks, question marks, or other unusual characters. Keep the name simple, then reopen Lightroom and see if the issue is gone. Also, make sure the file isn't open in another app. If the photo, export, or catalog file is being used by another program, Lightroom may not be able to write to it. Close any photo editor, file preview tool, backup app, or sync software that might be locking the file. Then try the action again inside Lightroom. If the error is still there, clear the cache. In Lightroom, go into Preferences, look for Local Storage, and clear the cache from there. A damaged or overloaded cache can sometimes cause strange write problems. After clearing it, restart Lightroom and check whether the error is fixed. So to quickly recap, free up disk space, fix folder permissions, move files to an internal drive, rename anything with special characters, close other apps, and clear the cache. In most cases, one of these steps will solve Lightroom error 50 right away. If this tutorial helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.